Improving workplace safety takes more than good intentions. It takes fast reporting, clear processes, and the right digital support. That's why effective incident management is essential. By managing incidents in Ultimo, safety and compliance stay firmly under control. Incidents and near incidents can be reported quickly and easily on desktop or mobile, encouraging employees to speak up and take action. From the moment an incident is logged, the back office can investigate, assess risk, and launch corrective measures with a work order created instantly in the same system. Tasks are scheduled, tracked, and visible for execution teams intuitively through Kanban boards. Safety professionals gain full visibility with powerful dashboards and real-time insights across incidents, assets, and departments. And now, with the new HSE AI Agent, underreporting is eliminated. The agent scans work orders, flags safety risks, and automatically creates incidents when needed. With Ultimo, safety and efficiency work together. For more information or a demo, visit ultimo.com/HSE.